A ball valve is a shut-off valve that controls the flow of a liquid or gas by means of rotary ball. By rotating the ball 90 degrees around its axis, the medium can flow through or is blocked. Here is an example of a two-way and three-way valve. Electric ball valves use an electric motor to rotate the ball. I will demonstrate the wiring process of a JP Fluid Control AW1 24 volts actuator with 3-point control and with on-off control. In on-off control here are 3 wires, blue, black and brown. The brown and black are permanently connected to the plus and minus. The blue wire is the control wire. In order to rotate the valve, you have to connect the control wire to 24 volts plus. Without power supply, the valve remains in the latest position. In case of power loss, the valve will not return to the starting position. When you have 2 control signals for opening and closing, 3-point is preferred. You can rotate the ball back and forth by using the 2 control wires, the black and brown. Also, 3-point offers the possibility for intermediate stops. Warning: never connect 2 control wires simultaneously. Ensure that the valve is set to the correct angular position, whether you need the operation normally open or normally closed. The valves have 4 holes. Different combinations of the holes can be used to alter the circuit function. Here is a diagram explaining the different ways to set up a 3-way valve. Install the valve with the actuator facing upwards and align the cable in order to avoid the risk of collecting moisture in it. Any valve from the BW series can be connected to an actuator from the AW1 series. If you want to know more, please visit us at tameson.com or tameson.co.uk.